Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Urtopia universe. In the following video for Urtopia e-bike assembly, you'll put it together and get to know your future favorite pal really well. Witnessing the birth of the world's smartest e-bike by your own hand is exciting and fun. Enjoy. Nice speech, by the way. Hi, I am Urtopia. Where are you looking? I'm here. Yeah, it's me. As you see, I'm in the box now, and I'm incomplete. But don't worry, I have a date with my pal Jing at 2 p.m. He will make me complete. But I don't know what time it is. I'm not connected yet. It's so dark here. If he stands me up, I'll never get out. I'll be alone in the darkness forever. Hey, it's Jing over there. He just arrived.
Hey dude, here I am.
Well, let's get started. First, open the box gently. Nice. Now take everything out one by one. The front wheel, a battery charger, a saddle with Aries, a user manual, and 2 pedals. The battery has its own box, so just slide it out from the side. Finally, it is my 90% assembled body. Take me out carefully. Use a bike stand to keep me up firmly. Be very careful when putting my front forks on the floor. Please keep the box and any protective material during the assembly process. Oh, one more thing. See the frame bag over my body? It doubles as a tool bag. And let's take a look inside. There is a set of Allen keys and a 15mm wrench, a quick release device, and some spare parts. Let's start assembling. Warning, don't mess with the brake levers before the front wheel is installed. First, take off protective pads for the brake disc and caliper. Next, align the wheel's brake disc in parallel with the braking pads, and seat the fork dropouts on the wheel hub ends carefully. Make sure the wheel is all the way in the dropouts. Take the quick release skewer, unscrew the cap end, and take out one spring. Be careful, Jing, don't lose the spring. Insert the skewer through the wheel hub. Put back the spring first on the other side with the small end facing inward. Tighten the cap, and knock the tire a bit to make sure the wheel sits inside the dropouts properly. Now fold back the handle and unscrew the cap a little if too tight. Finally, check visually if the brake disc sits in the middle of the brake caliper with even clearance to both sides. This allows my front wheel to spin freely. Okay, it's time to install the seat post with the saddle on it. Find the cable connector from the seat tube opening here. Jing, take a close look. There are 2 white markers on the cable. Look out, never pull the cable out more than the lower marker. Now align the connector pins with the pin holes from the cable connector inside the seat post and connect them securely. Stash the connection back to the seat post, all the way up to the upper marker. Now you can insert the seat post into the seat tube. To fix the height of the saddle, first take out the protective cover for the seat tube screw. Now adjust the saddle to a height that suits you best. Jing, don't you ever exceed the minimum insert marker here. Otherwise, you'll break me and hurt yourself too. Once the height is determined, use a 4mm Allen key to tighten the seat tube screw. One more step is done. The final step is to assemble the pedals. Look here. An L is marked for left and an R for right. Take left, for example. Start by threading the pedal spindle counterclockwise by hand, then tighten it with a 15mm wrench. Same for the right pedal, but direction is clockwise. Oh, one more thing, Jing. Take my battery out and check the battery level by pressing this button on the top with different colors indicating different levels. And you can charge me through this little hole anywhere with the charger. Slide the battery into my little belly and press it down until it clicks in place. You can also charge me from the side port on the down tube. So excited! Finally, you're gonna activate me and begin our journey together. Take off my protective veil, and now you see my shiny face on the smart bar. First, download the Urtopia app from the App Store, or by scanning the QR code on the rider manual. Open the app, register your account, and follow the on-screen instructions to scan a QR code. Press any button on the smart bar to show the QR code, scan it,
Bluetooth connected.
Activate succeed.
And record your fingerprint. Done. Now I am complete. Let's go for a ride, Jing, and can't wait to see you all down the road. For a more comfortable ride, please watch another video on further adjustments.